Hi guys, and welcome to this video. And I've got something here na hindi na actually bago, but medyo excited akong itry. Kasi nung isang araw lang siya dumating from the Philippines. Pinabili ko siya sa Philippines. And I can't wait to make a look out of it. It's, tadaanan, the new ba? Ewan ko kung kailan to lumabas, pero medyo new pa naman siya. New Bilena chocolate palette. And I'm so excited to try this one, guys. Kasi, di ba, brown. I like browns and bronzes and golds. So, let's see. I want to give a big shout out to my cousin Abby for getting this for me and all the other products na pinabili ko sa Philippines. I know you're busy, but thank you so much, darling, for having this for me. Guys, she is also a YouTuber. So, if you want to follow her, I will link her name up there or down here below. I don't know where I will put her name, pero her name is Captain Audrey here in YT. If you want to check her page, guys, go ahead. Sure, guys, marami na rin nag-review about sa product na to, so I don't want to elaborate. Ayoko na rin pahabain tong video na to. Alam naman natin na this is a cruelty-free, a paraben-free product. And if you want to know more, maybe we can just check out the channel www.bilena.com.ph, kasi alam ko na excited na rin kayo like me, because I want to open this now and try kung anong mangyayari. So you guys, sabay-sabay natin buksan to. Here you go! So, ito na siya, guys. The product looks like this if you buy it in stores. Yan, yung carton niya. It costs 220 pesos. And I got mine from Landmark. Hindi pala. My cousin got mine from Landmark. And, buksan na natin siya. Ay, wow. Kulay black. For me, I like the packaging. For 220 pesos, it looks sleek. Okay siya. Pero, alam ko tong ganitong klaseng packaging na ano to, na sa scratch, guys. Pero, arte ka pa, 220 pesos. And let's see if maganda talaga yung ano nito, products. Kung maganda talaga to, it's a steal, guys. Maganda to. And let's open this. It has a plastic cover to protect your shadows, maybe from falling off. And, ayan siya. Ayan yung shades. Those are the 9 shades. All matte. Guys, wala po siyang shimmers. And, it has a legit mirror. Ito. Legit, guys. Maganda yung mirror niya. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Ito yung allergy ko, guys. Ilang araw na to. Luha na luha yung mata ko, and then ang runny ng nose ko. Pero deadma na. Basta makapag-film. So, ito nga siya, guys. And, try na natin. Try na natin gawa ng look to. Maybe we can work this out. Yan. Kung nakikita nyo, here. Yan. And I'll make that as my transition color. Guys, tinatakpan ko nito yung mirror kasi nagre-reflect siya sa lighting ko. So, pag ginaganyan ko siya, kailangan ko siyang takpan. Oh my God. Guys, look how powdery that is. Teka, reflect pa more. Allergies. Ay. Ayan, so balik tayo guys. Humatching lang ako ng humatching.
So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed. You make my baby. So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed.
So, ito nagawa kong look from this palette. Final thoughts on this ever Bilena chocolate palette, guys. I think you get what you paid for. This is not an expensive palette. This is a 220 pesos makeup eyeshadow for the 9 shades that you get. Okay yung color payoff niya. Okay siya. Some shades are okay to blend, some shades are not. I ended up using only 4 colors from this palette because, you know, this is what the look that I wanted to get. But then, my only real issue in this palette is it's really powdery, guys. Kung may allergies ka, wag mo na itong itry kasi talagang ako kanina, ang dami kong hatching. Bahing ako ng bahing, guys, kasi every dip ko dun sa palette, talagang super powdery siya. Kailangan mong i-blow, tapos ang tawag dito, i-tap ang excess kasi talagang it's all over the place. So, that's it, guys. That is my only issue. It's very powdery, but the price, the packaging, you get what you paid for. This is Ever Bilena chocolate palette once again, guys. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe my video. I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much. Mwah.